welcome to my vlog. This is Leo Sinelio from Visit Science 18. In this video, there are 4 things that I will going to share that you need to know. So number 1, the difference between population and community. When we say population, it is composed of all members belonging to the same species living in the same area. Organisms of the same species interbreed with one another and produce live, fertile offspring. It could be the population of rabbit, population of cat, and population of meerkat. When we say community, it is composed of all population of organisms that live in the same area. So number 2, the distribution of population. Distribution of individual members in a population takes different patterns, such as first, uniform distribution. Though it is not common in nature, but it may happen if there is a good competition for resources, like rice field and any plantations. Second, the random distribution. Organisms like plants are spaced at unpredictable distances from each other. This is typical species in which individuals do not interact strongly. And third, the clumps distribution. When individuals in a population are clustered together, this pattern is most common in nature, like herding animals and school of fish. Number 3, the community relationship. Environmental relationship composed of biotic factors and abiotic factors. This is the example of biotic factor, the plants and the animals. And this is also the example of the abiotic factor, the water and the soil. In biotic factor, it involves symbiosis, competition, and predator-prey relationship. Symbiosis refers to the relationship in which 2 organisms of different species live together for a period of time. Symbiosis has 3 different forms: the parasitism, mutualism, and commensalism. Parasitism is a form of symbiosis in which one organism derives nutrients from the second organism, which suffers some harm but is usually not killed. There are 2 types of parasitism. The ectoparasites are found outside the body of the host, and the endoparasites, which are found within the body of the host. Mutualism, a form of symbiosis in which both organisms help each other. And commensalism, a form of symbiosis in which one organism helps the other organism, but there is no benefits or harm done in return. Next to symbiosis is competition, a relationship where 2 types of organisms compete for the same resource. There are 2 types of competition: the intraspecific. Members of the same species compete for the resource. And interspecific. Members of different species compete for the resource. And next to competition is the predator-prey relationship. The relationship in which one organism, which is predator, hunts and eats another, which is prey. There are 2 types of predator: the true predator, when predator kills and eats its prey, and not true predator. It beats organisms, prey individuals that usually suffer immediately. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you for watching.